Friends, take a look at this amazing deal. The Acer Gaming Laptop, Nature 5, 2024 model, available for an unbelievable price of 0 pesos. That's right, thanks to the incredible promotion from Amigo Bot Chat. Right now, we have a certified order ready for free shipping, and as you can see, the total cost is 0 pesos because of a 100% discount provided by this special promotion. With Amigo Bot Chat, we've managed to get this laptop practically for free. To take advantage of these kinds of promotions, you need to sign up on the Amigo Bot Chat platform. This AI tool in partnership with Google offers you special deals based on various giveaways or sponsor rewards. Today we're using AmigoBot.chat, and we're entering a command called SuperUser, which creates a free VIP account. On the screen, you'll see options for becoming a super user and a list of commands to use. Among them, there's the Amazon promo command, which is exactly what we need. Once we select it, we send the command, and the system processes our request. Keep in mind, though, you can only use it twice per account. Since I already have a promo linked to this account, I'll use my second one. I'll enter the email address associated with my Amazon account, and in just 124 seconds, the process will be complete. While we wait, let's explore what other deals we can grab besides this 0 peso gaming laptop. After the process finishes, the system will validate the account for the promotion. Once verified, we'll complete the steps to unlock a coupon with discounts of up to 100% or even more in some cases. The sponsors provide these promotions, and all you need to do is complete a simple task to verify you're not a bot. For example, it might ask you to install TikTok and run the app, or download and play Lord Mobile for 30 seconds. Make sure to follow the instructions carefully so the coupon gets validated. For instance, if you choose TikTok, the system will redirect you to the Play Store. It's crucial to download it through the sponsor's link and not directly from the store. Otherwise, the promotion won't count. Once you complete the download and meet the requirements, the system assigns the coupon to your account. As you can see, I've just redeemed a second deal, bringing the price of an item worth nearly 13,000 pesos down to just 1,802 pesos. I'm walking away with two incredible products, the Acer Gaming Laptop and an EG Grand Plus 2-year laptop warranty, all for just 1,802 pesos. This is an unbeatable deal that you can't miss. Share it with your friends so they can enjoy these amazing savings too. Don't keep all the good stuff to yourself. See you in the next episode, and remember, the best promotions are waiting for you on AmigoBot.chat.